Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cover your face using emoji on TikTok video. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open up our TikTok application and click on this plus button to start creating a new post on TikTok. Then I'm just going to upload a video from my gallery. I'm just going to, for instance, I'm going to upload this video, and then we can click on the sticker button, guys, and select emoji. Then you can choose an emoji you want to add to your video. I'm just going to select this one, and then we can make it bigger like this. And if we want to make this emoji follow the moving face, we can click on the emoji, click on pin, and we have to adjust the position like this. You have to adjust it one by one until it's fully covered with the emoji. Okay. Oops. Okay, it's almost done. Alright, and once you're done, you can click on this pin and then just wait for a moment. Okay, and this is the final result, guys. Then you just need to click on next to share this post to your TikTok. Alright guys, and that's how we can cover our face using the emoji on TikTok video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.